Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Google Sheets and use AI to automate your spreadsheet tasks. First, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Next, click on Extensions, select Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, look for a Claude-compatible add-on. Popular options include Claude for Sheets and GPT for Sheets and Docs. Select the add-on you want to use and follow the installation steps. You may need to sign in with your Google account and approve a few permissions. Once the add-on is installed, you will need an API key from Claude. Open your browser and go to the Anthropic console. Sign into your account, navigate to the API Keys section, and generate a new API key. Copy the key to your clipboard. Now return to Google Sheets and open the settings panel for the add-on you installed. After that, search for Anthropic in the list or AI models and paste your API key into the required field and save the settings. This connects Claude to your spreadsheet. You can now use the add-on sidebar or built-in formulas to interact with Claude. Simply reference the cells containing your data and provide a prompt. For example, you can ask Claude to write descriptions, summarize text, categorize feedback, clean data, or generate content automatically. Thanks for watching.